When it comes to transmissions, a lot of times what happens is customers will take their vehicle to a transmission shop or their Jeep or what have you, and the transmission shop is like, yeah, it needs to be overhauled. But oftentimes it doesn't need to be overhauled. Oftentimes it's just a sensor or something minor. Usually that's the case. It doesn't usually need to be overhauled. So that's what we're good at, pinpointing the exact problem with it, and then fixing it from that regard. As far as like overhauling it, I have a transmission guy that's got 45 years experience overhauling transmissions. So he's the only guy I trust, and he's amazing. But my recommendation is that if you see anything with a transmission that seems even a little bit out of normal, to let me check it immediately. Because the biggest problem with transmissions also is that people have a little bit of problem, it'll seem glitchy or a little slip here or there, and it might just be low on fluid. But if they keep driving it like that, and it will keep driving, but that transmission can just be destroying itself internally as you're driving down, and you don't even realize it. So if you notice any kind of problem with a transmission, you should get it checked. If you can't get it checked by somebody, check the fluid. Just make sure the fluid hasn't leaked out, and if it has, get fluid in it before you drive it any further, because that is the number one killer. Number one killer is loss of fluid and running it low. The number two is not servicing it with a fluid and filter on a regular basis. Those are two things that kill a transmission.